2, 1, action!
The hills are alive with the sound of Muesli, with echoes that rise from my breakfast tin. Youths call to me from the tops of their stalks, a cereal symphony. Tasted the flakes and the crunch of the barley. I've danced with a bag of raw wheat. The sun rises golden and breakfast is hearty. Muesli, it's not even sweet.
Yay! All right.
You should probably pause in between.
Music bringing her muesli in here, all those grains, all the gluten.
All the gluten.
She'll talk to the chickens, but she won't eat an egg. It's enough to do my heart in, truly. You'll think we were not even a real abbey anymore. We were but a bakery. Even worse, a place where wheat is stored. Horrible. Bakeries at least have gluten-free options. It's a pity that we couldn't raise her right after she was orphaned after that tragic grain fire. But we do what we can here at the Abbey. How do you solve a problem like Lisa? How do you keep your spoonful from your roll? How do you snap the flax up in the chapel? A flake, a nut, a fruit, a bowl of milk? It's a breakfast mix to bake with my love. And about 12 pounds of oatmeal. You'll be reassigned to children you will mind. Children who must learn to do as told. So go forth and ensure they're in the know. It's a breakfast, or you must prevent their contact with whole bread.
Yay! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's props, there's props.
Oats that are toasted and berries that sparkle, cashews that crunch in a bowl that is nutful, yogurt that dances like birds on its wings. These are a few of my muesli-ish things. You gross. I hate almonds and spirals and slides receding, spoons that are silver and childhood's receding, apricots dried into snackable rings. These are a few of my muesli-ish things. We hate barley, we hate millet, Father Vandal brains. We'll not disappoint him by sampling your own. Simply shuffling down our throats. Ew, gross, get that away from me. Icky. No, I can't have that. Daddy said no. Toast that we burn into charcoal. Cereals banned here is part of Dad's dark soul. We'll eat in silence, no smiles, no rings. Those are a few of our breakfastless things. Bowls made of tin and some eggs from last Monday. Jam is a nut that will leave an egg in one day. Father says joy gives our lives broken wings. These are a few of our breakfastless things. What if you mixed it with something delighting? Cinnamon sprinkles or raisins exciting. Layer it up breakfast can possibly open your eyes.
Buckwheat and barley, that's not clever. Breakfast will crunch forever. Maybe we judge you too soon for life. You'll mix it together, and then we'll die.
Yay! That's so good. How many costume changes are there? There's so many costume changes. Oh my god. Oh.
Captain Von Trapp.
You are a nanny, just here to tidy, not to inspire snacks. In order, not order, certainly not flash.
You are a father going on jailer, banning their granola. They are just children, not small cadets. Lighten up your quota.
Rules are what keep a house intact. No spoons or singing mess. Feelings just lead to snacks with seeds, and seeds just lead to stress. You are uptight,
Going on frostbite, chilly and full of rules. You say discipline, we say praises. I'll change you, yeah, you fool.
Uh-oh.
Do you hear the birds? Climb every mountain, stir every bowl, follow each flake path to nourish your soul.
Soak every oat grain, toast every seed, sift through your feelings, and find what you need.
Spoonful of flaxseed,
Muesli.
you hear the whole texture, the crunch and the spread. So, climb every mountain with milk and grains, and let every topping find its rightful place.